Germany has come up with a Germany Opportunity Card visa, which is basically valid for a year and extensible also based upon certain criteria. But again, who can apply for a Germany Opportunity Card? So candidate must and should meet the point-based system, because Germany authority has released a points criteria for the candidate who is willing to seek a job in Germany. So let's say if you are an applicant and willing to apply for a Germany and get an opportunity card, you need to ensure that your points must and should meet the eligibility criteria given by the Germany authority. So minimum you have to score 6 points subjected to age, language proficiency, whether it can be a B2 level or German basic language, and then depends upon the experience, qualification, and other factors like age as well. Okay, and you need to also ensure that you have to follow this list of shortage occupation according to section 18G. And here we will have in the description box all the occupation groups, so that you can check it out whether your occupation is eligible for the Germany Opportunity Card or no. So we have success, and we have taken many cases at the moment, and we also ensure that appropriate filing happens to the authority, and we ensure that we try to get the visa success. Hopefully that if your profile will meet the requirement, you come over to us, get the profile assessed, okay, and then have the registration done. So this is a good opportunity for the candidate who is willing to get a job, whether you can be a bachelor holder, diploma holder, or vocational degree holder, I mean to say. So your occupation, again I'm reiterating, that must and should be in the list of this skill shortage, and that's when you will be eligible for a blue card when you're applying for a job later stage. Okay, so in order to apply for a Germany Opportunity Card, what exactly Featherpad would be needing? We need your updated CV. We would check whether profile is meeting certain points criteria of 6 or no, and then we would also assess whether your occupation is eligible as per the given German authority requirement or no, and subject to that we would also check whether you can show the proof of funds, because this plays a vital role while applying an application to the consulate. So funds, since authority gonna give 12 months visa, it is advisable to show 12 to 13 lakhs in your account. Either can be a savings, or you can show it through sponsorship, or you can show the block account as well. If you need a block account assistance, Featherpad will help you out with that services as well, which is complimentary. And if you need post-learning services assistance as well, we will be with you. So for more information, DM us and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.